Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Wulan Anjarwati Kusuma. I'm from BSI Cengkareng campus and majoring in English literature. Okay, here I will read the sound from meeting 10, namely k, g, z. Sound 1, k. Touch the back of the roof of your mouth with the back of your tongue. Push air forward in your mouth, then move your tongue away. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Car, carpet, cocoa, cup of coffee, American, ticket, pocket, school, scarf, scooter, sky, of course, because. Practice 2. Listen and repeat. K is usually quieter here, like talk, look, walk, make, up, plastic. Practice 3. Listen and repeat. K is usually very quiet here, black dog, tattoo, checkbox, electric, picture, exactly, bookshelf, up, walk, look, talk. Practice 4. Listen and repeat. Clock, clock, clever, cream, cricket, 6, next, exciting, expensive, excuse me, cakes, frogs, clocks, lights, talk, quiet, quick, quickly, question, thank you. Now, sound 2, g. First, practice k. Use your voice to make g. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Coach, coach, girl, class, bag, clock. Sound 2. Gold, gold, girl, glass, bag, clog. Now, sound in contrast. Gold, 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 girl, girl, class, glass, bag, bag, clock, clog. Practice 2. Listen and repeat. Give, beginning, get, together, again, guess, garden, gun, good, go, August, guitar, dog, Craig, Greg, Greek, Margaret, telegram, glad, England. Sound 3. Touch your side teeth with the side of your tongue. Put your tongue forward. Do not use your voice. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Sue, bus, state, peace, sip, prize. Practice 2. Listen and repeat. Sit, sun, sun, Saturday, Sunday, sailing, sensible, outside, seaside, interesting, instead, just, star, eat, let, sleep, pen, swim, king, expensive, exciting, six, yes, Alice, reading, practice reading aloud, the smile of a snake. She speaks slowly and smokes special, expensive cigarettes. As she steps upstairs, her long skirt sweeps over her silver slippers. She is small and smart and sweet-smelling. Her skin is like snow. "You have stolen my heart," I once said stupidly, and she smiled. But when she smiled the smile of a snake. No, sound 4. Z. First, practice. Use your voice to make Z. Practice 1. Listen and repeat. Sound 1. Su, set, sip, bus, peace, price. Sound 2. Zoo, zaid, zip, buzz, fizz, prize. Sound in contrast. Su, zoo, said, zaid, sip, zip, buzz, buzz, fizz, fizz, prize, prize. Practice 2. Listen and repeat. Z, zoo, buzzing, surprising, amazing, surprise, buzzes, miss, this, biz, is, does, says, noise, hisses, smells, something, contains, John, isn't. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.